Hello everybody. First of all, I would like to thank God for this opportunity being a member of MMM Global. And I'm Danilo T. Cansancio of San Pablo, Tacurong City, Sultan Kudarat. Last September 25, 2015, my bonuses reached to 110 pesos. And last October 18, 2015, my cash is reached to 58,831.92. And also last October 22, I acquired interest of 5,297.61. So today, October 27, 2015, I plan to withdraw 64,300, a total of my cash. So I thank you for that, and together we change the world.